Hey guys, before we dive in, take a quick look at these.
These are just a small part of what this amazing software can do.
Today, you are going to learn about
a powerful tool that allows you
to create a faceless YouTube channel quickly.
With these ultra-realistic AI avatars,
in no time.
You've probably seen a lot of faceless YouTube channels being created, and they're making money using automation and AI, or other content created using AI-powered talking avatars that are also very popular. The tool I'm about to show you can dramatically increase your productivity and video quality, helping you grow your channel quickly. Wondershare Virbo can create hyper-real avatars, animated characters, or talking pictures to help you make YouTube videos or promotional content. It can even clone you, so you won't need to record new videos anymore. It can translate and dub your videos into multiple languages with your desired voice. The endless hyper-real avatars this software offers are very exciting, and you also have the ability to customize them. Plus, most of the software's features are available through the mobile app. If you're looking to create a faceless YouTube channel or use YouTube automation or even make marketing or explainer videos, this software can help you a lot and make your journey smoother, allowing you to get results faster. Now let's go over some of its features together and try them out. After you click on the link in the description and head over to the Wondershare Virbo website, you can start by downloading the software for free for Windows, Mac, or even Android. And if you're not a fan of installing software, you can also continue online directly through the website. Once you enter the software, you'll immediately notice that this professional tool can guide you through the entire process of making a video from start to finish. Besides creating various avatars, you can rely on the software for writing scripts, automatically creating promotional videos from links, and even using text-to-speech. You'll also find several templates here that can serve as shortcuts depending on the type of video you want to make, helping you speed up your work.
I wish you a Merry Christmas filled with love and joy.
Los partidos de la Liga de Campeones volverán esta semana.
Summer is here.
We'll take a look at these tools at the end of the video and try them out. Now let's click on Create Video to start the video making process. I'm selecting a 16:9 format for this video, but you can use the portrait format if you're making social media content. As you can see, there are plenty of settings and tools here, but I'd like to start with the most exciting part, choosing an avatar. When you click on this avatar, you can change it from the right-hand section. There are so many options that I'm sure you'll definitely find the character you're looking for. There are male, female, young, old, and a variety of races and nationalities to choose from. The avatars are also categorized by video concept, so you'll find characters wearing different outfits and styles. You can even upload your own image using the talking photo feature. But in my opinion, the standout feature is the fixed backgrounds, which are designed to look incredibly realistic and high quality. I'm gonna try this one, but if you want your avatar without a background, you can pick from the other options. Now let's move on to writing the script. You have two options for this. Either write the text yourself and paste it here, or ask the AI to generate it for you. Here you can simply write a short prompt explaining the concept of your video, and you'll get a complete script in return. Once you have your script, you can edit it however you like, or even regenerate it. You can change the tone, summarize it, or tweak it as much as you want. When the script is ready, it's time to find a suitable voiceover. This section offers a wide range of voices, and you can use the filters to make your search easier.
if one is lucky. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his heart.
The fox has many tricks. The hedgehog has but one, but that is the best of all.
By hitting the play button, you can hear your script read aloud in the voice you've selected.
Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel, but hesitated because you don't want to show your face on camera?
Alternatively, you could upload your own recorded voice or any other voiceover you have and sync the lip movements with that. The next feature is the AI Translator, which can be really helpful. Here, you can translate your script into different languages like Korean, Russian, or even French. Moving on the right-hand side, you'll find various settings. Here, you can adjust the frame size, add background music, toggle subtitles on or off, or even change the layout. At the top of the screen, you'll find additional tools that let you add text to your video or use stickers to make it more engaging.
Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel?
The import section is for adding images, clips, or audio that you have separately and want to include in your video. By clicking on the avatar, you can change its appearance. Choose to display it full screen, as a circle, or half body. If you're not using full screen, you can also change the background to match your video's style and get the output you're aiming for. You can also adjust the avatar's position on the screen and even add entrance or exit animations if you want. Similarly, you can customize the subtitles to your liking. You can change the timing and text of each subtitle segment, and there are many styles to choose from that make them look great. You can also customize the font, color, and other settings for the subtitles in this section. In timeline mode, you can see all the layers of your project, which allows you to make more detailed edits. If you want to add a new scene, you can do that here as well. You can choose a new layout or pick one of the many templates available, each of which can be fully customized to fit your needs. Once you're satisfied with everything and feel like your video is finalized, just click Export to produce the final video. I'll go with 4K resolution, and that's it.
Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel, but hesitated because you don't want to show your face on camera? Running a faceless YouTube channel comes with its unique set of benefits.
Another exciting feature I want to try is the video translator, which, as you can see, supports many languages and can translate them into one another. The cool thing is that it completely clones the speaker's voice and creates a new video in another language. It can even add subtitles for you. I'll try a part of another video that's on my channel to check its quality. This website can take all your worries away.
Questo sito può risolvere tutte le tue perplessità riguardo la creazione di immagini. Ce site web peut dissiper tous vos soucis concernant la génération d'images.
Wow, I think it's amazing. Seriously, what more could you ask for? The next section I find fascinating is the URL to video tool, which is similar to the AI montage maker with not much difference between the two. You can use this tool to create promotional videos for your desired products. The interesting part is that without needing to manually select images, videos, or go through the editing process, you can simply provide the product's link and the AI will analyze it and deliver a complete promotional video. Now let's try an example together and see how it performs. As you can see, it extracts any image, video, or text from the link and displays it here for you. Now, if you'd like, you can edit them, and after selecting the frame size, duration, language, and video type, just click the Generate button. After a few minutes, you'll get 3 suggestions, and you can choose the one you like best. If it still needs editing, you can do that here as well. And if you feel it's final, hit Export Video.
Welcome to the future of effortless cleaning with the Roborock Q Revo. This savvy vacuum doesn't just clean, it revolutionizes your floor care experience.
If you're a professional editor or are used to another software for editing, this section is perfect for you. In this part, you can create the same hyper-real avatars, but with the option to export them with a green screen or a transparent background, which you can use in your video editing process. For example, you can take them into CapCut, Premiere Pro, or Final Cut, and edit your final video there. Here you can create an avatar with your desired voice and precise lip sync, and use the various tools available to achieve your desired result. The next part is text to speech, which I know will be appealing and useful for many of you. There are so many voices available in different styles that you'll surely find the one you're looking for. Filters like language, gender, scene, and features can help you in making your selection. In my opinion, if you want to work professionally and speed and quality in video creation matter to you, this software can be extremely helpful and beneficial for you. Don't forget, I've put the link in the description, so be sure to check it out and give it a try. Until next time, stay creative.